Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I installed this Cloudenergy 48 volt golf cart battery in the TXT golf cart. You can pause the video here for pertinent data. I believe this is the model number of my golf cart. Hopefully that'll help someone. Super quick video here. It's not a review. I paid for this with my own money. I just wanted to show this unit as I installed it. Made a little 2x4 box here, and then the battery is setting on 2x4s, so I didn't have to modify the main rack too much. Got rid of those heavy old buggers. There's already range tests and several other things on the internet, but I wanted to show that this all worked out exactly how I saw it. You have to get this orange wire from the charger, put it directly to 48 volt, and then all of your negatives go to your negative and your positive to your positive. I decided to keep the old charging port intact because what am I going to do to cover that hole? And this adapter came with the Cloudenergy battery. It was inside the box, so that was nice. I had bought that and then a 12 volt step down transformer. I do think, not confirmed, that is a 12 volt step down transformer, because everything on my cart works, including the front headlight that I installed long ago, and I did not need any of that extra monkey business. That could be totally different. This was a golf cart that was being used on a research center, so it's 2% more industrial. The charger was too large to mount anywhere nicely. I was going to mount it to that wall. I was going to mount it in, just as you see it over there. It was too long. So, unfortunately, I built this little tiny wood crate for a little extra storage on the golf cart, and it was taken up by the battery. Charger, I should say. Just very quickly built this out of deck screws. Used the two provided straps. That was really nice. And this was a very simplistic, straightforward install. I'm going to link a video to the one I watched of another guy's channel. He doesn't know me from Adam, but he was the one that gave me the confidence to do this myself. So I will put a link to his in the description down below, right at the very top. And this Cloudenergy golf cart battery is a success in, again, this is a EasyGo Freedom TXT. Very simplistic. I'm gonna get cleaning up. It's freaking mayhem out here. I was doing this while the baby was sleeping, so. We have the golf cart nestled back in the shed. We did well over 10 miles at almost full throttle the entire way, and we got the cart down to 70%, and we are recharging it now. It's been charging for about 30-40 minutes or so. Something I wanted to make note of, if you see in the top right hand corner, this thing is pulling 19.74 amps through this extension cord, and this is a heavy duty, like 8 or 10 foot extension cord built for running like your freezers or a high draw load. And this cord is warm to the touch, so need to be prepared for that. This puppy definitely pulls some amperage. I'm going to wrap this video up. I'd like to thank everybody for watching. Go watch that other guy's video. He gave me the confidence to do this myself. Like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you guys next time.